Hello again, this is Georgopoulos from MONOHIFI HD Greek Audio. In this video, we're gonna talk about a very simple, very simple power supply used in audio amplifiers. It consists of three blocks. Let's have a look. As you can see here, this is a block diagram. This is a block diagram of a very simple power supply used in audio amplifiers and circuitry. As you can see here, this is the input signal, AC signal. Then we need a transformer to transform the voltage and to the amplifier requirements. Then we use an AC to DC converter. We have talked about in previous videos. And finally, we need a power supply filter for the converter to smooth the output of audio DC. As you can see here, the waveform. This is all we need. This is all we need for a very simple power supply. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. More videos coming up soon. Thank you.